Did you ever wonder, how does a gas mask work? Elementary, my dear Watson. We have half masks, sometimes called respirators, and full face masks. They work exactly the same, just trading the eye protection for a better field of view and possibility to wear different glasses and goggles. All masks have valves to ease exhaling and to protect the filter from your breath, as it's designed to pass air only one way. The most important part is of course the filter. In most cases, it consists of two-step filtration. In the first stage is a particulate filter, which works like a fishnet with microscopic openings. It catches all dust, microbes and droplets. It might be surprising that things like tear gas are not a gas, but tiny droplets, similar to spray paint. And smoke also is combinations of droplets and tiny pieces. The second stage is in most cases activated charcoal. It's a really interesting material that sucks in most pollutants, just like a sponge sucks in the water. It's called adsorption. This action, of course, have just limited capacity, after which no more pollutants can be captured. Some filters have a visible indicator of this level and, for example, change color, and the particulate filter will of course clog over time, causing breathing to become harder and harder. There are also some more exotic filters, but they are rare to come by. I hope you learned something new today. Bye!